Is the breakdown you were just talking about?
Yeah, this is the morning report that breaks down and tells you all about this car.
Wow.
Tells you how much it costs.
Brand new car was $4,700, $6,000, and 46.
Chris said he started out with the plan and looks as if it's going along well. Seeing what he done with his 2 Mustangs just makes me that much more excited to get started on my Camaro. I've already began buying parts, but we got a long way to go. We'll get there though.